All right, guys. We got Eric S. here is going to crack open some Garbage Pail Kids Sapphire personal 6-box lot. Let's do it. Appreciate it, man. See what we got here. May the one of one atom bomb be with you. All right, we got Madonna, Mean Gene, Marty Mouthful, and Gorgeous George, number 299, teal parallel. It's the Pad Paradasha, a.k.a. Papa Giorgio. Smelly Kelly, Acne Amy, Pourin Lauren, and Brittle Bridget. We just call it the Papa Giorgio here. Damaged Don, Cactus Carol, Nerdy Norm, and Boozin' Bruce. Odd Todd, Ghastly Ashley, Fran Fran, and Disgustin' Justin. Next up we got Slimy Sam, Charred Chad, Cranky Frankie, and Leaky Lindsay. Jolted Joel, Pegleg Peter, Ray K, and Rundown Rada. It's called Racks on Racks on Racks, exactly. Soft Boiled Sam. Ooh, got a little gold action. Joltin' Joe. That one is numbered 4 of 15. With Weird Wendy and Karate Carl. Carl, good to see you. Blasted Billy. Rockin' Roberts. Electric Bill, and Mark Bark. Round out box number 1. Yeah, it's in Allen Ginter in 2019. You can go chase it. Jolted Joel. Next up is Ray K, Rundown Rada, and Brainy Janie. That is number 250. Green parallel. More Blasted Billy. Soft Boiled Sam. Weird Wendy and Karate Carl. Bad Brad. Rockin' Roberts. Electric Bill and Mark Bark. Overlapping names in this one. Rundown Rhoda. Crater Chris. Hot Scott and Cheeky Charles. Frying Brian. Electric Bill. Ugly and Boney Joni. Doug Plug. Jenny Genius. Leaky Lou, and then Junk Food John. That's teal, number 299. Ashcan Andy. J to K. Junkie Jeff, and oh, big Atom Bomb. Orange parallel. Number 15 of 25. Big. Like, at least 2K big. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Nice hit, man. Heavin' Steven. Dollar Bill. Dollar Bill, baby. Melton Melissa and Brett Sweat. Wow, what a hit. What a hit. I love it. I'm telling you, this stuff just freaking delivers, man. That's what I said. It's at least 2K. At least. I think that's going to make it up to the Instagram page. I'm going to tweet that out, too. It's not the Papa Giorgio, but it'll do. Next up, Tattoo Lou. Wacky Jackie. Wrinkly Randy, and then a live mic. Graffiti Petey. Sicky Vicky, Cyclops, and Fran Fran. That is the 50. Really good color so far out of this. Dead Ted, Mona Loser, Brian Bryant, and Tommy Toon. Uzi Susie, Karate Carl. We got a Jenny Genius and Bad Breath Seth. Teal parallel number 299. Drunk Ken, Mad Mike, Ray Gunn, and Jada K. Michelle Muck, Art Apart. Got Tongue Tied Tim and Furry Fran. Looney Lenny, Dead Fred, Green Jean, and Cyndi Lauper. Cranky Frankie, New Wave Dave, Messy Tessie, and Brainy Janie. All right, 3 to go. Find the one of one. Find the one of one. All right, Doug Plug, Jenny Genius, Leaky Lou, and Junkie Jeff. Ashcan Andy, JDK, Melt Melissa, and Brett Sweat. Even Steven, Dollar Bill, a Ken O'Kenny, and Jenny Jelly. Split Kit, Thin Lynn, Lukewarm, and Brutal Brad. Next up is Wrinkled Rita, Bent Ben, Sewer Sue, and Bad Brad. All right, Bonnie Bunny, Greaser Greg, another orange coming up here, Nutty Nicole, and Madonna. We're to 25. Next up, Jolton Joe, Rob Slob, Drippy Dan, and Vile Kyle. Last pack in box 4, we've got Spacey Stacy, Harry Gary, Nasty Nick, and Bonnie Bunny. Teal parallel number 299. All right, next, box number 5. Spacey Stacy, Ancient Annie, Harry Carey, and Nervous Rex. Tommy Gunn, Ventilated Vinny, Chili Millie, and Itchy Richie. Tattoo Lou, Scary Carey, Brian Ryan, and Live Mike. Graffiti Petey, Wacky Jackie, Wrinkly Randy, and Cyclops. Mona Loser, Sicky Vicky, Tommy Toom, and Clogged Dwayne. That's number 299. Dead Ted, New Wave Dave, Brian Bryan, and Brainy Janie. A Cranky Frankie, Karate Carl, Messy Tessie, and JDK. And the last pack, box 5. Uzi Susie, Parallel of 50 coming. Jenny Genius, Furry Fran, and Dead Fred. Green to 50. All right, last one in the 6-box lot. Got Drunk Ken, Mad Mike, Ray Gun, and Potty Scotty. Michelle Muck, Art Apart, Tongue Tied Tim, and Cindy Lauper. Looney Lenny, Dead Fred. Green Jean and Frigid Bridget. Savage Stewart, Jason Basin, Prickly Rick, and Rachel Rodent. Anna Banana, Flat Pat, Gorgeous George, and Wheelatina. Madonna, Virus Iris. You have a Mean Gene and Lukewarm, number 299, Teal. Next up, Smelly Kelly, Acme Amy, Pourin Lauren, and Marty Mouthful. In our last pack, finish out box number 6. We've got Damaged Don, Cactus Carol, Nerdy Norm, and Brutal Bridget. That rounds out the 6-box lot. Congrats again on the Atom Bomb out of 25, brother. Appreciate it. If I can get you anything else, just holler at me. Get it out ASAP.